How to fix a black LCD screen for remote controls and computers. Is your LCD screen completely black or not displaying properly? This problem often happens in remote controls, calculators, laptops, and monitors due to loose connections, faulty backlights, or damaged polarizing film. Don't throw it away yet. In this video, I'll show you easy DIY fixes to bring your LCD screen back to life. This air conditioner remote control is a must-have in almost every home to turn on the air conditioner. I have it too, and the most important thing here is that it is the most broken one. As you can see, it can't even see the letters and numbers displayed here. So I will prioritize repairing it first in this video. You will not only learn how to repair them, but also know the DIY tips at home. Please follow my steps. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comment section below. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. Pasting like above, they create air bubbles inside, which makes our CLD screen fail. I will do it again and show you another way. Please do not find the video cumbersome and time-consuming. All the video projects I do require meticulousness and carefulness to give you a patient personality and achieve the highest possible efficiency. I hope everyone sympathizes with that. Really simple, right? If the video is good and useful, please give it a like, a comment, and a channel subscription. Thank you very much. Next video I will fix multimeter. What do you think?